Mistplay gift cards are not instant because rewards only process after your units are verified, and the redemption request passes a background approval step inside the app system. By the end, you'll know why gift cards get delayed, how Mistplay processes redemptions, and what you can do to speed up approval or avoid waiting longer than necessary. Start with how redemption actually works. Mistplay does not send gift cards immediately after you hit redeem. The app first checks your account activity and confirms your units are valid. Now explain what that means. This verification step is used to prevent fraudulent or incomplete gameplay tracking. If anything looks inconsistent, the reward can stay in a pending state longer. Now explain the first common delay. High demand for certain gift cards can slow down processing times. Some rewards take longer because they are not instantly restocked or released. Now explain the second cause. If your gameplay sessions were not fully tracked, Mistplay may hold the redemption until activity is confirmed. This usually happens when sessions end abruptly or tracking is interrupted. Now, explain the third cause. Account reviews can also temporarily pause reward delivery. This happens when the system flags unusual behavior patterns. Now, explain what users should check first. Open Mistplay and confirm your redemption status inside the rewards or activity section. This shows whether your gift card is still processing or already approved. Now, explain what not to do. Submitting multiple redemption requests for the same reward does not speed up delivery. It can actually confuse the processing queue. Now explain timing behavior. Some gift cards take longer depending on the provider and demand level. Mistplay does not always show exact delivery times inside the app. Now explain how to reduce delays. Make sure your gameplay sessions are fully tracked by launching games directly through Mistplay and letting sessions run normally. Now explain account stability. Avoid switching devices or reinstalling the app while a redemption is processing. That can interrupt verification. Now summarize the core idea. Mistplay gift card delays usually come from verification checks, tracking issues, or high reward demand. Most delays are not permanent and resolve once account activity is confirmed. And the best way to avoid delays is consistent tracked gameplay and clean account behavior. One practical next step: open your Mistplay Rewards tab and check whether your gift card is marked as processing or still under review. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Mistplay guides that explain what's actually happening behind each reward and delay.